Gold moved closer to the $2,340 per ounce mark on Friday, setting the stage for an impressive nearly 5% gain in the second quarter and a 14% surge in the first half of the year. This performance was driven by expectations of looming rate cuts by major central banks, which enhanced the attractiveness of holding non-interest-bearing bullion assets. The Fed's preferred measure of underlying inflation in the U.S. economy slowed to its lowest annual rate since 2021, bolstering hopes that price growth will align with targets at the anticipated pace and fueling expectations for 2 rate cuts by the central bank this year. The prospect of lower interest rates in other regions also buoyed precious metals, with the Bank of England expected to cut rates shortly after the UK's election, and the People's Bank of China anticipated to implement more rate cuts and set the stage for further economic stimulus. In addition to monetary policy influences, increased gold demand by key central banks in Asia, particularly the People's Bank of China, further boosted precious metal prices in the first half of the year. This surge in demand propelled gold to a record high of $2,450 per ounce in May. As long as supportive factors continue and the Federal Reserve progresses toward easing, gold is expected to maintain its upward trajectory. By the end of the year, gold could potentially reach $2,600, driven by ongoing demand and favorable economic conditions. Traders should keep a close watch on economic indicators and signals from the Fed to adjust their positions effectively. In the near term, it is crucial for gold to hold above the $2,280 level to avoid a forced long liquidation phase. Stability above this threshold will support positive sentiment and maintain the metal's strength. Gold prices remain above the key support level of $2,280, holding firm despite recent fluctuations. The 50-day moving average acts as both resistance and a potential trigger point for an upward breakout. Maintaining stability above $2,280 is essential to avoid a long liquidation phase, with a potential upside target at $2,400 and beyond. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment to support the channel. See you in the next one.